a big head CNA, and we're trying to see what is sticking out of one of the through holes. I don't know what it is. I can tell you we cleaned 6 inches, which is there. It's some sort of, just scuzz that had built up. Not that I'm not happy to do this right now, but I'm sitting really close to the water. When I reach up, it makes me go underwater. We typically clean 6 inches above the water line, which is about here, because that's what we can physically reach and get pressure on. Next time we're out, I'll try and tell them to put some hole spray on it up there, but yeah, that's not something they would have really paid attention to. They're paying attention to this eye, but and we already got some slime back. Okay.